Hey guys, what's going on? It is Saul over at SUPP, bringing you another Grill Memoirs video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make an easy turkey burger recipe in just 5 steps. Let's go ahead and get started. Now this one's for all of you out there that are looking to hit your protein mark, but you kind of want to switch up from the usual beef burgers when it comes to your cheat menu for the sake of variety. I mean, come on, we've all been there. Week by week you're meal prepping and then cheat day rolls around. You're excited because you're thinking of all the different types of meals you've been wanting to eat all week. For me, my cravings usually start with a loaded burger, and I mean the works. Lettuce, tomato, onion, mushrooms, cheese, mayo, ketchup, mustard, pickles, for sure. Nothing like a hefty burger satisfies that cheat meal urge. Like every cheat day, it's all about hitting your protein mark to maintain muscle mass while taking a rest to restore your CNS. Meaning you've got to avoid going overboard with carbs. The carbs are still a good thing, as you've learned from both my nutrition guides, SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition on the go and SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition at home. You also know when it comes to making that protein mark, it's about getting as much whole food protein as possible, with high bioavailability to ensure maximum absorption by your body. But sometimes, eating certain meats can get boring, or worse, start to be tasteless. I remember growing up back in high school, there was this guy I knew trying to get into the NFL. He was pretty damn good already in his college football team, being a quarterback, but his coach kept on him about one thing. He was too small. He needed to pack on lean mass and do it fast. So he was put on a nutrition regime that consisted of a lot, and I do mean a lot, of beef. There's only one problem though. Aside from eating a quality carb to shuttle feed all those juicy amino acids to his working muscles, which I'll explain in a future video, after about a month of chowing down steak, fajitas, and beef burgers, he couldn't even look at another piece of red meat. And if you've learned anything reading my blog, or watching my YouTube videos, or reading the SUPP nutrition and workout guides, too much of one thing is never a good thing. It's exactly how allergies develop. Now, I was making burgers this weekend, and I remember the grief this guy had to go through, which prompted me to provide an alternative for all of you out there that, from time to time, get sick of eating beef. I know I've been there too. So if you're still looking for a good burger, try swapping beef mince out with turkey mince. The great thing about poultry-based meats is they're right up there with beef on the scale of maximum absorption, while providing a protein-packed hit to the system. Now here's a quick recipe for easy-to-make turkey burgers. Enjoy. So I call these the SUPP Grill Memoirs turkey burgers. It makes 4 turkey burgers. Prep time, way less time than it takes you to spit shine your boots. Cook time, it varies according to how hot you get your grill or your skillet. Total time, I'd say about less than an hour. For the items needed, you need a grill or a skillet, a large bowl, another large bowl, a small shallow bowl, wax paper, clean hands, and trim nails, because you're gonna get handsy with this one. For the ingredients, 18 ounces or 500 grams of turkey mince, 2 small eggs, half of a finely chopped purple or red onion, a few good stems of parsley, 1 to 2 cloves of fresh minced garlic, a half teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan or rock salt, fresh ground black pepper to taste, melted coconut oil, ghee or full fat butter, and ACV. You've heard me mention this in previous Grill Memoirs videos, so basically apple cider vinegar to clean and tenderize the meat. Now for the directions. Clean your turkey mince with ACV in a large bowl, then rinse carefully with cold water. Yes, it is okay to rinse meat if done correctly. Toss your turkey mince into another large bowl with all your ingredients except your coconut oil, ghee, or full fat butter. Now you're going to prepare wax paper on the side with a small shallow bowl of melted coconut oil, ghee, or full fat butter. Now you're going to get your hands in there and thoroughly work all your ingredients into the mince. Now roll and shape your now seasoned turkey meat into burgers, coating them with your melted, healthy, saturated fats. You know guys, like you can take your pick. Like I said, butter, ghee, or coconut oil. Then place them on your wax paper. Step 5, toss them on the grill or your skillet until well done. And just a quick tip, a good way to determine this is to carefully push your grill spatula into the top center of the burger and have a quick look. Assemble your burger however you like. Throw a slice of cheese on there, load it down with toppings, just go crazy. Go ahead and pair it with some recommended nutrient-dense vegetables and carbs as found in SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition at home for a healthy, hearty meal. There's a few things to mention. You've got 2 options here, turkey breast mince or turkey thigh mince. Both are great options, though the latter tends to dry out much less quickly on the grill and has more flavor in comparison to turkey breast mince. Now for the apple cider vinegar, turkey is a funny meat because some people don't like the strong taste, especially when it comes to like wild turkey, like game meat. The reason that I use apple cider vinegar is not just to clean the meat, but it's also to really draw that strong flavor that you get from turkey out of it. So it draws that really strong flavor out, but it still maintains the flavor of the turkey meat itself. So that's what I usually do when it comes to turkey. Now each burger will provide you with no less than 20 grams of protein per burger. If you read either SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition on the go or SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition at home, you'll know the health benefits of all the ingredients included in this recipe, and that when it comes to choosing from either turkey breast or thigh mince, both are great options, with turkey thigh being higher on the fat percentage scale. You'll also remember having a bit of saturated fat in your meat isn't necessarily a bad thing due to the sheer health benefits. If you don't remember this, well, you know what to do. Go ahead and revise your SUPP nutrition guides. So it's fairly obvious why turkey burgers work as a cheat meal. Now for the rest of the ingredients, eggs, you've got healthy omegas there, purple or red onions, that's obviously quercetin rich, parsley, antioxidant rich, minced garlic, powerful antioxidant, chili powder, powerful antioxidant, salt, you got sodium. There's a lot of different things, guys. A lot of different things that, this all ties in with. A lot of different things that are mentioned in the SUPP nutrition guides that you already know if you bought them. And that's all there is to it. Go ahead and let me know in the comments below how your turkey burgers turned out. And that is about it. If you like this video, share it, subscribe, and comment below. If you really like this video, but you don't have the SUPP guides yet, go ahead and buy them over at the SUPP website. The link is in the description below and up on the screen. They cost less than the shirt on your back, but unlike that shirt, the knowledge gained lasts a lifetime. Now, if you've already bought the guides, hey, thanks, then go ahead and check out the other gear in my shop. From nutrition supplements to apparel, you can pick up some whey protein for your next workout, new threads for that sleeve splitting arms day, or something else that'll help you remember that when it comes to fueling and training your body, once you learn how to, where you are matters less. And every item, the material, color, style, ingredients, and quality are all handpicked by me, so if I won't wear it, eat it, drink it, or read it, I will not sell it to you. It's that simple. If you go ahead and get the guides, you'll discover recipes with nutritional breakdown in each of the nutrition guides to make things nice and easy, and that's available under the snacks chapters, and previews of the chapters are available in the shop. With the workout guides, you'll get in-depth customizable workout plans with breakdowns of how to effectively and efficiently train your muscles no matter where you are. And all guides teach you how to eliminate worries or concerns about getting the nutrition and strength and conditioning you need to stay fighting fit for when you're deployed or at home. And that's it, guys. Drop by next time for another great video to add to your workout and nutrition arsenal. And most importantly, stop doing guesswork. Start making the necessities of your life easier. Because if you know how to fuel and train your body, where you are matters less. That's it from me. Have a great week, weekend, whichever. Peace.